This is Rome at 5:30 in the morning. The tour that I'm on starts at 6 and it goes in this door right up here. I'm not going to do a lot of videoing in there on this tour because I'm going to wait and go into St. Peter's Basilica later, but I will try to get a little bit, and then I'm doing a video for the new Retired Me channel with the Pocket 3. That's where you'll see most of the video, or most of the tour in that video. It'll come out later, a week or so from now.
And that one only keeping that scale, the justice is equal.
All right, it's Monday morning. It is a little after 8 o'clock, and I have just finished my Keymaster tour at the Vatican museums, and the crowd outside waiting to get in. They opened at 8:30, I think. Oh my God, thousands of people in line. There were 20 of us. What can I say? These are the tours still heading toward the entrance of the museum. They probably have specified times to go in, so it's a little easier. All right, so this is one of those choices of necessity. I wanted to get a cappuccino, but I didn't want to stand at the bar and drink it because every minute I waste getting over to the line here is, well, it's just a minute wasted and it's a lot longer of a line, so ciao. So the St. Peter's doesn't open yet, but I got here when there is no line. I am very, very happy. This whole day has made me very, very happy. This is like going through customs at the airport. Coming into the St. Peter's Basilica is free. There is pretty strict security out there, so you've got to put all your coats, your bags, empty your pockets. It's just like going through airport security. I put most of my stuff in there, forgot my keys, had to go back through, do it again, as you do. So I got here about 8:30. There's nobody in line, nobody. I mean, yeah, there's a few hundred people here, but that's nobody. And so just walking through the line, walking straight through security, walking straight up here to the door to go in. The earlier you can get here, the happier you will be. Period. End of story. Full stop. Now, one of the most important things you will see here will be just inside the door, directly to your right. It is the most beautiful sculpture, I think, in the entire world. And of course, like everything else in Rome, it's hidden for restoration for the Year of Jubilee. This is a replica. I have taken a picture that I really, really enjoy of this sculpture. I'm going to put it up here now for you to see. It was taken a few years ago. This was, I think, Michelangelo's very first work that he was commissioned to do. He was just 23 years old. And the other sculptors of his day refused to believe that he was the actual sculptor, because then nobody signed their work. And so he came back, and along one of the lines of the robe here, he carved his name. I think he later regretted that because it was an act of hubris on his part. But at 23 years old, he was a little petulant. And you'll see these chairs back here behind me going up toward the front. The last time that I was here, this entire section from side to side was blocked off because the Pope was giving a mass here. So there were huge parts of the Basilica that were not available to me then. There's still a few here and there because, again, they're doing restoration, but we'll walk around and see what we've got, because there's no way to do it justice. I'm just going to tell you up front, there's no way to do it justice. You're fine. And a lot of these sweeping shots that I'm doing are all on the ultra wide lens, which means I can get more in the frame, but it also means that you really don't maybe capture just how big this place is, because I have it all in the frame. It's massive. Some of you may recognize this next shot, and if you do, leave me a comment below. All right, I think that's it for today. It's time to go get some breakfast. I haven't been done with a video on this channel this early, and I don't know when. But you can see the Keymaster tour will go up on the New Retired Me channel sometime after I get home. And right now I'm going to go grab some breakfast because I'm really hungry. And then I will maybe do another live stream this afternoon over on the New Retired Me channel. By the time this goes live, you'll know whether I did or not. But if you haven't seen any of those, go to the New Retired Me channel and on the homepage, click live. We've done a couple since we've been here, and we'll try to do at least one more before we go home.